Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Kayak search not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by first closing the app and then restarting it again. You see, when you open an app and you find some kind of issues going on with the app, you can just swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely from a multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is update or reinstall. You can just simply go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find Kayak. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. If you have already updated, try uninstalling the existing app from your device and then go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it again. Now the next what you can do is turn your airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off again to reset your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.